Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tap and die sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GearWrench 82812 Large Combination Tap and Die Set. The GearWrench Large Combination comes with 114 tools inside, and it is best used for tight or confined spaces. It features the twist lock guide system, which ensures that the dies stay at the center, more so when the threads are cut. The set comes with a ratcheting T-handle system, which will allow you to make 5-degree ratcheting arcs. In addition to that, the handle system also features a reversible lever, enabling you to change from reverse to forward and back. The tools are made of carbon steel, which makes them a good choice for homeowners or handymen who will not put them through vigorous use on a regular basis. Professionals can also use them, and the fact that the company offers a lifetime warranty demonstrates the confidence GearWrench have in the quality of their product. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Irwin Tools Hanson. The Irwin Hanson Tap and Die Set is one of the best sets on this list, and for very good reasons. First of all, the set includes a whopping 117 pieces, making it very versatile. The tools come in a variety of measurement system options and you can get either fractional, metric, or both combined. The set comes with numerous pieces that offer a great variety, and it works on different metals. This set is well suited for professional use, but novices can use it as well. The best thing about it is that there are so many pieces, making it convenient for any job. At number 3, we have the GearWrench 3880 Tap and Die Ratcheting Wrench Set. This is another product from GearWrench and yet another high-rated tap and die set. The set comes with a spring-loaded cap, which allows you to release the large tap adapters easily without a problem. You can also use the twist lock guided system, which reduces the die guard back walk, and will make your work much easier. In addition to this, the manufacturer has also added an auto-locking feature, which makes it safe to use. The adapter in this tap and die set works on hex and round shapes dies and uses a reversible lever to reduce turning. With a 5-degree ratcheting arc on the reversible lever, the efficiency of the tools is enhanced. The case is made out of strong blow mold. The tools are made of carbon steel, and they are strong enough to be used either professionally or in homes. The manufacturer offers a lifetime warranty as well. At number 2, we have the TEKTON 7561 Tap and Die Set. This TEKTON Tap and Die Set comes with just 45 pieces, but they are made out of high-quality material. All the pieces in this set are made of fortified tungsten alloy high-speed steel. This means that they are great to use on materials like carbon steel, stainless steel, brass, cast iron, aluminum, and bronze. Everything comes packed in the TEKTON standard hard case that will keep all the pieces in the right place. Homeowners who do not carry out many repairs can use this set, but you should check in advance whether what is included in the case is what you need. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lang Tools 2581 Thread Restorer Tap and Die Set. The Lang Tools is a 26-piece tap and die set particularly designed for car restoration. The set comes in same measurements and includes fine and coarse threaded taps. The reviews for the set are positive, and given that it is a small kit for thread restoration, is definitely handy to have in the home and worth considering when looking for a tap and die set. On the downside, the packaging cannot compare to a sturdy, durable case, and once you remove the tools, you need to find somewhere safe to store them, or risk losing them one at a time. However, this is only a minor drawback, as the majority of people most likely already have some sort of toolkit at home. The most important factor is ultimately the quality, and the tools in this kit definitely tick all the boxes in this department. The measurement is also say only, so if you need metric, then you might want to consider some of the other options in this list. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.